Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them. Well, blessed love, God, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Akeynote Live in Jamaica. Guys, I know everything goes already, so welcome. It's a wonderful day, a windy, cool, breezy day as well too. It's so cool and so nice, wonderful. So you know, today's the day I'm getting back my vehicle. I am so happy as well for that, trust me. I am so okay. For us, there's a movement.
Where are you?
Don't so.
No, I don't.
No man, I'm Vevo.
No, pick up them clothes by that.
General, we say cool.
Earlier. No?
Yeah.
Remember the cola Canada different than this, you know?
Yes, I.
Because the cola Canada is now blue, you know?
No.
And the gears are there to prepare.
Yeah.
Don't come out of this man, I'm moving and going out there, sir.
Yeah, for one that,
Brother, Mr. Earliest man, it cannot change now.
Yeah.
My earliest morning, it can like a move there and a whole heap of dust.
Sure, and that's the problem as well, they come in the whole
heap of dust. I mean, I see a part of a country. I snow, I see a part in another year, you know?
Yeah. And AI.
No, man, yeah, man. You don't search for me that country came up.
Yeah.
I'm used to that, you saw big yellow. I find birthday every day with fan. I see this man.
I want to look well cool, you know.
Yeah, I'm fan forward.
Alright guys, so everything I'm gonna say yo, it's winter in Jamaica. You know, everyone's freezing. It's all winter here in Jamaica, boy. I mean, I tell you the truth. You know. But guys, you know the thing though, so today I'm gonna pick up my vehicle and then head on back to the road. You know the thing goes already. But boy, Jamaica in free and see them sell half a tree of snow. Imagine Jamaica really experience some snow. Oh my days. Just imagine that. You are the first people to see Jamaica, so the place just quiet, the place empty. Yeah, the body of them woody as well too. And you don't see no one on the street when you come on tonight. No one at all. I mean, like literally ghost town. Like the place under one state of emergency and there wasn't nothing like that. Like the place literally state of emergency with the cold. Yeah man, we need some more cold, boy. Yeah. Probably crime rate to drop. Yeah, cause I think the gangs of them want to come outside in these weathers. I tell you the truth. State of emergency that come to here, so more cold weather. And you see crime rate drop at Jamaica. Watch. Crime rate drop. So let's say that guys. Peace. Car wash. See me. Happy birthday. Huh? Thank you. You look pretty though. I like your hairstyle. Who do it?
Mommy.
And mommy do that.
Mommy.
Oh, you look so cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You want to buy ice cream today? Want money? How much money you want? Which one you want? You want this one? You don't want this one?
It's here.
Actually again, which one you want? This one. So you don't want this one? Look now. You don't want this one? Eh? Dream. Why? Yeah. I'll give you this one. Look now. I'll give you this one. Eh? No? No, I'm gonna pick up that thing there now. The pick up there, sir. How are going down there? I'm gonna roll with you. Are you copy it?
You bother.
Bye bye. I'm too. Come here, doing.
Jamongo. Jeffrey. Yeah, Jamongo Aspar. Original.
Jeff, where gone? The recipes in the stove lights.
Cool. Big up, man. Big up. Yeah. Big up yourself. You know your thing, go. Every time. Yeah, bad dog. Alright guys, so I'm here in Trenchtown, you know. Still waiting the time to come and to go and pick up my vehicle. But first I stopped off in Trenchtown, so I'm just going to give out a donation first. Miller's son, look boy with the heart problem. So we're going to find out if the dad gets the result as yet, you know. And then after now I'll go head to go get the the place cool and bright like Florida right now. So it's like we're in Florida right now. Hi. So 30 grand cool.
Yeah man, really cool man, but you know, just chill a little bit, not really cool. Yeah man,
Just chill a little bit.
Take it easy, yeah man.
Yeah.
So,
And we have Baja out half of the world.
yeah, same stuff.
Baja no cool, Baja just with the
Same
weather.
way, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
And
That's it.
boom the cool, cause boom lock up in the office down. We drive past boom place and we say no man, boom in the boat.
Yeah.
It's chilly.
Yeah.
It feels like Florida, man.
It's really good, you know?
So this is what Florida will feel like.
Yeah.
Floridian,
You know,
a Caribbean country.
this morning, Kino.
Yeah.
After 4 or 5. Push it down there, you know?
Hello. Dream Team kids are here. Hello, Kelsey. Kelsey, how you doing? I got a donation for you too, you know. Okay? So you can follow me around 3rd Street and I'll give it to you. Cause me can get hers already. Yeah, yeah. Stop it nice. Come here, stop it nice. Come here, come. Oh, what down here? Go, chef. Oh, you made me walk up? What go on? Thing go on? It's a long time I don't come in this yard, you know. It's been a very long time. What a bigger machine in here. Oh, big things are going. But when the last time you come in this yard?
Yeah. Last time we opened.
Yeah, it's been a while. Everything in clothes now, you know. Yeah. What's going on, man? Alright? The cold.
Yeah man, the weather. We alright.
Weather have you know.
there, yeah. Yeah, you know, I'm going to do the test with him, you see him. Then give me the next one, yeah, you see him. Yeah, I'm going to do that.
You do more tests? You do another test?
Yeah, then give me the next one, I could do one more test. This, I'm going to
KPH with this?
yeah, go on KPH with this and then you put in there. Then I put him on to kind of the KPH clinic and so on. You see, because the farmer art thing. Alright, the doctor them say him art a bit low, you know. You see, yeah. It a bit low, so that's why when we get the next test here, we go do one of them thing there for you see, even that one here, the woman said there on the first one.
This one where am I going to do right now?
Yeah,
okay.
There on the first one. From I said to her, I said, I roughly about 30,000 for doing it. She look and she said, maybe not them bracket left still, but yeah.
So so you get these from the envelope where you get from the doctor from the place.
Bring him go clinic what day, yeah. You see him? Yeah.
Okay, and then get this.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring them here, go down to public. Them one are kind of free in a way. Any local thing them have to do. This now where me have to do.
This one where you have to do now cost more.
Yeah.
Same place I got that one here? Which one I got the last time?
Maybe it can do same place, you know, I should say. Maybe it can shop around. You can shop around to try it, see it anywhere look cheaper with a so, you see.
So the one with them thing for the Ultra monitor.
Yeah. You see.
So guys, so you see they see them put the ticket. So that's the next one he's gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay. But them say the heart a bit slow.
Yeah, not fast or
it's supposed to.
Yeah, it's a bit slow. And that's why from the first time when I go, the doctor said, don't give him no bush tea and thing. So cut him off of the bush and then put him down. So you see him. Yeah, just give him like milk tea or ordinary tea or like so, you see. Yeah. But him a bit slow.
Than ordinary.
Yeah.
But alright, so you said these are free, all these.
Yeah.
But these are the ones we got pay for, but you don't know the price.
Yeah, me don't know exactly.
Because you know, Pauline, Auntie Pauline said must keep her up to date on anything because she's the one that gonna help her with the situation. But the thing is, you don't know how much someone can give her a rough idea.
Yeah.
So and you don't have a number for them neither. There's not even I think I the number this. Opening hours. I think I don't think. You need to find out how much someone can let you know.
Right.
So at least you can get the money to go and do it. Because you're gonna need it.
Anytime go next week or so, we get a good time. Them say I can bring him go. Public, you see him, but never. I can't number this. I go try call and try. You see him? Yeah.
But I doubt. I think the place which way you go, I think I for them number this. The one I'm gonna write up this.
Alright, yeah.
So where you go to get this?
Sliping Road.
Sliping Road.
Yeah.
Instead of Sliping Road, I get this. This is a 28 Beachwood Avenue. Beachwood Avenue up there, so.
Yeah, Beachwood Avenue up there, so.
See if you can call them, this number then. Just call the number and ask them, or let's say they have to go up there and ask them how much the price them think it's gonna be.
Yeah.
Because the lady said it's more than 30,000 are in the bracket there.
Yeah. Look good about 30 are in the bracket there, I saw, you see?
Yeah.
But when she said this much dearer, when I said to her, I said, you see, so roughly about 30, and she had to be in them bracket there, so you see? Yeah. Auntie Pauline, I thank you for the help, boy. We don't know anything, never you're in Akeynote, boy. We don't know the thing. Kind of rough a look away, but I give thanks for the help and all our dream team I do for the whole away and thing, you see, for. And the best thing this ever happened to the community, you see, for Akeynote they look out for enough people, and I give thanks to the local help for me really need it, you see, for me alone couldn't manage so easy, you see, to give thanks to the help. Tell Auntie Pauline thanks.
Thanks, Auntie Pauline.
Hey, there's something more, say, Auntie Pauline, I love you and thanks and Ray and so, you see,
Shy? Shy. Daddy, him shy, him shy, daddy.
Yeah, Auntie Pauline like him shy and me not even want your teen here. Auntie Pauline, all I will love you, you know. Your teen here, just give thanks and praise and Jah will guide you and protect you same way and them little thing there and give thanks to the help Auntie Pauline.
Yeah. Alright, and so so I have a donation, you know, see me, you know, can help out in school and everything.
Yeah.
You know, in lunch or anything. This is from Unknown, from New Jersey. This is $14,000 from Unknown, from New Jersey. Yeah. So Unknown from New Jersey, you can tell them thanks.
Thanks in Unknown. Give thanks to everything in Unknown. Appreciate that for help for situation. Yeah, I love that Unknown. You're seeing here, just give thanks. You're seeing more life and more blessing and thing. You're seeing give thanks and praise, and I really appreciate that Unknown. You're seeing for the situation rough for me. I love how Kino deal with the situation. You're seeing, and give thanks Kino. You're seeing, for every little thing. You're seeing Unknown. Now I beg you give thanks for. You're seeing my love where I go on and them little thing there and stuff. You're seeing many life and many thanks. You're seeing, for enough little people there you want the help. I'm glad you might get a little help. You're seeing, so give thanks Unknown. You're my respect, love, honor, everything.
Yeah. So, come on. So tell Unknown thank you for the donation.
Thanks Unknown for the donation.
Yeah, respect and joy.
Yeah.
May God bless. You know what I'm talking about?
And may God bless you.
May God bless you.
I'm shy.
Yeah,
because you're showing the ropes.
Yeah,
So we give thanks to Unknown. So Unknown, we thank you so much. You know, thank you so much, Unknown, for the blessings. I will thank you for reaching out, and also want to call you and thank you as well for the blessings that you've been given. You know, so God bless you all. And I say he's gonna get some information and what to get the for you to get the pricing. So we're gonna inform Auntie Pauline about that. You know, and so yes, man. So guys, look, we're back where the last house opening was. You know, Wow Chef. Whoa. You know, that's where the Wow Chef is living. You know, this was the last project that we did as well too. Out of renovate and fix as well for Wow Chef as well too, you know. So you know the thing goes there. So it's not in here for us to give us a room tour, but you get caught by surprise. So we don't want to go in and bed and spread and whatsoever. You know, but we give thanks. So bless and love to our excellent family. So welcome to one of our projects. You know, so Miller.
Yeah.
Alright, so big up in general.
Yeah. Respect.
Kina, come.
Eh? Put your slippers properly. Come, we'll get heading back around here now. Come, Kels. Alright, Kelsey. Here is your $2,000 from Auntie Michelle from the UK. So look in the camera and thank Auntie Michelle.
Thank you, Auntie Michelle from UK.
Alright then. God bless you, okay? Run out of breath. You say cold?
It's cold outside.
Them say it's cold outside. Alright guys, so I guess the vehicle is not fully ready as yet, so I'm still without a vehicle because you know they got setback. So I'm still without a vehicle for now, seeing myself. More taxis. But trust me, the whole Jamaica, everybody's cold. Everybody's having the experience, you know, so yeah. It's the winter mass. Everybody cold. Let me go check on. Everybody is cold. Poochie is cold. What go on, you cold? Winter is, you know, a foreign, you know. This is foreign. Oh, wait. Oh, you are shutting your back still? Earth, yo. Oh, country cool. Jaja. So what them ever take out then?
Them some move it all the time in Jamaica.
Oh, you put them moving.
At the time, you understand?
Yeah.
So if you tell me true, God gonna stop a bone there, sure. So tell me if it tastes good.
Fish are easy thing, but fish, I put back the salt in them. Yeah. I put back fish in salt. So you have to go. So we
I work with farmer, that was one thing I did.
Yeah. Buy some grocery and oh, the fridge on. Plug in. Oh. But not knowing the money you have. Everything. Yeah, some groceries. And we have some groceries that come to as well, something that come, so they got pack a little bag outside for you then. Yeah, man, pack a little bag. So in a week we get it still, so we pack something for you. Yeah?
That's all I do when I say bless up and I respect. Because a long time when I see me say when we still, but the still there, man, I see it.
Yeah.
Still there, I want it, man. I don't think I forget it, man. I hear that.
Yeah.
Still there, I want, you know? Well, it's kind of rough in our way still, but I don't know.
Go on, what is that?
Thanks for life every day, it's in the
True.
I don't have nothing about our sweat and our work, so
Yeah.
I just know how that's right.
Go on, what the field savings. Yeah.
That's one of them things.
What the field savings.
They are from the donors, them blessed for the time, respect for the time. I just don't feel cold if you make that talk away, you see about it. They want to shut our work, you see that.
Yeah. So guys, they say you have a shot, you know, that's still like body same way, you know, so whenever the time get cold, it hurts him. Or then your heart. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Cha-cha. Alright. Go on, wallet man. So when I get the grocery, then I make it get some things, yeah? Alright, then bless it. Alright guys, so yeah, so you see him still have the bullet, him still have a bullet still in him, you know, will never get taken out because it was close to his heart. So if them couldn't take that out. So whenever the time get cold, like even now the time is really cold, really hurting, you know, then in some deep pain. So we have some stuff, you know, to collect from the wharf, you know, so whenever we get those stuff as well, so I'm gonna pack some stuff for him to get as well, some food stuff, because he's gonna need it. But right now, everywhere you look in Jamaica, people is wearing them pullover. Some call it pullover, some call it jumper, some call it woody. But everywhere in Jamaica, that's what we're in right now. Blessed love, guys, blessed love. So good morning, good afternoon, and good day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So yes guys, you know, today we want to go up by Cranberry to get them some material as well, so we can start the border road. Definitely see that tomorrow, or let's see with Barja, you know. So literally, oh, the sun is out now, the weather gone, now the sun is out, so and I'm going to head down to go because I have to go and pick up back Esther. That's her vehicle I'm driving. But at the meantime, I'm here at Apple Tree, heading to the vehicle. You know, so. So the sun is back out. So you know the sun is back out, so nobody's balling for the cold anymore. So the sun is back out. Oh yes!
Yo, no!
Maroon,
Yeah, man, Maroon, man. Keen alive in Jamaica. We tell you upon the block. Yo, no! I'm good while in the general.
yeah.
Yeah, man, me still there, I do it, man. One day, I get a 2 little week, go rest and go doctor. The dealing one for dealing. And there back again on the ground. Right there now. Half a day with that. We up in there. Energy! Energy! Yeah, man, I want Maroon, man. You know I want Maroon, man.
One Maroon, man. One energy.
A long time we not pass to. Energy! Energy! Yeah, man. Yeah, man,
So
Maroon.
you change your spot.
Well, you don't know we not change spot, you know, we just rotate the work.
Yeah.
Half a G cross, we downtown, pop in, right round on my ground, man.
Yeah.
All go to there, so we did. We walk and did. Energy! Yeah, man.
So the energy is
one
back.
key in life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Man, big up all of the crew, take time out. Big up all of the crew. You know, Rasta Jackson, them one there. Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
You know, I'm Maroon. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the whole of the door of them too, because you don't know a key in life. Yeah, right, you're saying I half a G, front of the jail bank, front of the bus park. Energy! Yeah, my people don't know, say, Maroon still alive, but Maroon, yeah, not change.
One of your subscribers.
Alright, big up,
Yeah,
big up.
Full of subscriber.
Yeah.
That's how we do it, key in life. Yeah, boy, you big up the juice, man, them,
Yeah.
Blacks, the general. Yeah,
One
man,
Blacks.
not pass them, man. You see it?
Refreshing, quenching.
Refreshing.
Quenching.
Okay. Yeah, no. We want to stop that. Big up bread.
Yeah. Watch it, man. Watch it.
You never know me, I really don't want to say.
Okay, see the man. You know the thing, man. Watch the thing. Oh. Yeah. We know the thing, man. Yeah. Load it up. So guys, you know if you're thirsty, don't pass him at the traffic light right in front of the J and Bang. Where you say one natural blacks. All natural. Boy, I'm not lie. So whenever I say Maroon, man, it's like me lose my energy. I invest take with the whole of mine. Whenever I scream out energy, my one gone.
Yeah,
You know.
you see it? Maroon energy for up, and we say energy for up. Yo, people, energy. You know, I want energy. We energy up. We energy never stop.
Never stop.
Yeah, hear me a long time. I never bust a one tune for my people them.
Yeah.
That one your name when you are choose the road. Hear it. When you are choose the road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in on the devil's road. When you are choose the road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in on the devil's road. A hard road to travel, mighty long way to go. To eat the promise land, me say yeah, that's how I know. The man working slow, but you don't know it sure. One day I go and knock on him door. When you are choose the road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in on the devil's road. When you are choose the road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road and buck up in on the devil. And buck up in on the devil. And buck up in on the devil's road. Is a hard road to travel, mighty long way to go. To eat the promise land, and that's how I know. The man working slow, but you don't know it all. Say one day I go and knock on him door. Father God, you know, him safety cure. When you are choose the road, choose the right road. Not choose the wrong road. Break that energy. People, you know how we work. Because you don't know when we got to. Yeah, man.
Rest of my raise the dead out of the grave too. Them are raising the dead out of the grave.
Yo, Yeah. People will put things are going in a jam down. It's like them price increase coffee, mash us down. Well, the put things are going in a jam down. Them price increase coffee, mash us down. People stick out and tell me even the fool is we use 5 bills and buy pound of fish. Stick out and tell me even the fool is we can't find money for send the youth them at school. Who are make every day things are raised. That's who raise it that jam out of the grave. Camille, me say it there around flower we can. Buy chicken back, me say more less chicken. People want to put things are gone. In a jam down is like them pricing. Yo, energy! You know.
Yo, the one half a tree wake up.
Them half a tree. Wake up half a tree. How many man do sleep? Yeah, man, them don't come sleep from maroon man around here. You know, so when we are got to one key in life in Jamaica. Big up all of my people them. Yard, Broad, Africa, all over the world. Them taking way. One key in life. One maroon man. Energy!
Yo, the man take the whole of my energy. It's like every time I come on maroon man, it's like I got no energy left back. You know, the man just drain the whole of mine. Man just disappear and gone. Yo, maroon man, how you doing? Can I come like me can't hear myself anymore?
No, but what you know say, you don't get enough from maroon and no lie, the boss they all about a country, all about a deal with them thing and support the people them and do what them have to do. We love one people them. So you know say when we link up, I just link up and you don't know say I be righteousness when we link up. Yeah man, the vibes and thing are up man. And one key in life for maroon man. I will say energy! People you know. Yeah man, see them the palace of never stop selling pants for the girl them yet. Yo, them here for the girl them. Yo, yeah, I want energy!
Yo, so how me get back my energy after you take all of them energy, the brother?
Alright, you see how you get back the energy, you know?
How me do it?
Right, you know. You see a regular spot down with the rest them there.
I was wise.
Yeah man, them man, they have all of them roots and them sitting there. You know say right now they are head to. And they say you get a lunch, tea and dinner forever. Keen of life in Jamaica. One maroon man, all of my subscriber them. Big up on yourself. Big up Keen of life in Jamaica. Yo! You know how we work, man.
So the weather treat you?
Why me I tell you say the weather. You see two is an Englishman.
Yeah.
And we've been there and done it. Remember we there in England 5 years in the snow.
Yeah.
So we used to all of them coolness there. It just was a warm, cool temperature too.
Yeah.
It's never a cold temperature. It's just a cool temperature because you know we are freaking flyer in time. We not really flyer now, but we used to fly.
Yeah. And you still can't fly. Nothing stop
and we
you.
still can't fly.
Nothing stop you.
Nothing stop we. Because you know me there in England, I'm a voluntarily come back to my country.
Of course.
So anytime we want to knock back on them door, it's for sure.
Open for you.
Really, it's open for we. Because we just there in country and say, we don't love you, so I have no food with this. We are come back our yard. And we just go up on the plane and tell them, send we our yard. Yeah, we just come back our yard. No, we're not better yard. Energy!
Alright.
So we're right,
man. You know what the thing going on.
Kino, we are link up, you know.
Yeah, man.
And big up all of the people that we love we, cheer for we, and do it for we. Big up on yourself. Oneness, one maroon man, one energy!
One energy, God. Yo, I wonder how I get back my energy after all of that. It come like I can't even hear myself, you the maroon man take the whole of my energy. Yeah, what a man full of energy. I can bet on your living room right now full of pure energy like the current just electrocute everybody inside the house, don't it? That's maroon man with the energy. So guys, I don't think I'll stay tuned. You know, we're gonna get some things out in Cranberry and the family. Alright guys, well, so I just arrived back here in Churchtown and I think Boom is not here from school yet because we need some management. Wow Chef is on the road with Baja also, you know, so it's only Boom. And let's see, oh, 30 gonna work. Whoa, 30 gonna put in some work.
Yeah man, they have fix up the whole kitchen, you know. Yeah man,
Take out that.
You see me? They are going to renovate it up back right now. You see it in from belly?
We are fixing up a kitchen?
Yeah, man. Kitchen. You see me? I say?
Oh.
Man, the G. Get it renovate up right here.
Yeah.
I even know my girl, I get all them little piece of plier I can do it right and proper way I want to do it.
But you're very handy, man.
What? I'm telling you, you know key.
I know you.
I'm certain you key, man.
I know you can help yourself, so.
Of course. Of course we can help ourselves.
Okay. Hey guys, so these our trench town is you have to utilize the space and turn this in our kitchen because it's a little small space. I'm so I go on. Look, it's a very small space stuff the ground have right here. So it's like this used to be like, well, yeah. This is just a step come up where you build this place, but 30 grand just use the wall and just put up something here. And let's turn this in our kitchen. You know, so this is a very small kitchen. This is it's not even a 1 by 1, it's a none by none. Yeah. Yeah, this is not even a one, this is a none by none. You know. But man, you at least you can hold a stove. Yeah, you can hold so you can hold a one stove can go right there. Yeah. Yeah. For the future, I'm sorry I never use black instead of this.
Yeah, in the future, in the future time, you know.
Yeah. Come like say we're man down because it's gonna work, Esther. Okay.
Man said, oh, I'm rolling this and I left this genius one. I'm here.
Mind the love.
My place, you know, brother. Nobody me work for, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, me left this genius one.
You better go buy it to Cranberry then.
Okay. Yeah, let's put a one piece of boat there.
The man, look like so small the space is. So basically it's a step, and this is a step column way as the railing, you know, so just use from the wall to here and just put some boards. So this is how the guys are doing it here in Trenchtown. So alright, top the ground there, wait for you then. So top the ground say I might come, but we are waiting for boom. Boom I reach it?
No.
I'm waiting on boom. Esther alone can lift up all those material.
We can nail them.
Yeah.
The nail and the screw.
So I call charge if him come meet with the hardware and thing. Boom the same and leave for 2:30. So still we're waiting on boom to turn up and they just head out. Hit the road, Jack. Sooner the better.
Come like the wire drop off from the light, you want to have that.
When?
Eh?
The plug?
Yeah.
The plug out?
No, I mean, I say, because she said she not see no light and I buy pole pan and rave. So, last time I that, you know.
Yeah, I go to the plug. So boom just arrived here. 30 grand!
Yeah, man.
Let me go check. You have to keep, not to keep on, you know?
No.
You'll have to go check when we come back and see. Yeah. Oh, she man start out in the kitchen, you know? 30 grand.
That's sauce. You want to chip it off, sir? Yeah. That's the 40 barrel.
a busy day. I want a truck still. Make a deal with all this here for me. The same thing we do.
Oh, you have to pay for them here now?
Yeah.
Alright, let me look if I can get discount from.
Yeah. In here empty, but out there so busy. Alright guys, so we're here at the hardware now. We're gonna get all the material that's on the invoice. You know, so yes. Get the material that's on the invoice, you know, what we call charging. But charge is also on a work, put it in a roast, so if not reach, I don't think it's going to reach, but I think Kenisha is going to come meet us down here, or if not, just make the fan come and drop it up there, you know, so we're going to get what's what on the list.
My love then. You have the black and I have the pink.
Where did you put them in?
Are we 30 grand? Oh, see. New truck this.
Brand new.
Brand new truck out here. So we just added everything on the list. You know, we add everything on the list, which comes to 87,000. What is it? Another bill. So we just added everything on the list now. So we're gonna get this van. We're gonna literally take them up right now. Everything comes to 87,000. 87,428. You know, I'll get a little discount on it.
Take your time, driver. Take your time.
Them black they look shaky. Yes, sir. You can walk on the middle stone as well, easier. The middle stone. There's a charge you walk on. Come and show it, easier. Where the man gone? Come on, that's all. Yeah, boom. Where truck man gone? May I come, I walk up the hill now. Come and see now. Yeah. No, you know, I drop, I step. You come right to the edge and step, Esther. I just step. Yeah, P coach, you know. No, just coming at the edge. Walk coming at the Esther. Walk come right down. Walk come right down at the edge. I'm just come cross. And step cross.
Step, then
Yeah.
step.
And just step cross again. See it easier? Go Cranberry there.
Then I walk.
Come here, Anna. You say that's an easier Esther on that stone there. Yeah. Cranberry!
The blood them long time.
Yeah.
Not very far.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the truck has arrived and up there, so I have to go up there quickly so I can go and pay the driver as well. So the driver is waiting, so because I have to drive all the way around the next side. Nana, you're tired? Take your time, Nana. Because you're breathing hard. Take your time. Okay? Hey! Hard one. Where driver there? Everything come out? And a tired man. And she have asthma now. You need the man name. What did they ask you? Charge it. Charge it. Charge, you want to your family? The man who always there, so what else?
My work, you know.
My work. You're going to need some strength to help bring down them. You need some strength. I need some more people. Yeah, the car black. Boom. Next how's the exercise coming up?
I like them a little bit.
We can make the black them stay them for last.
Yeah, because black men can stay.
Yeah.
That's what
That's not what it is.
Oh, you're resting this one? I think him say close on the trunk for him. Roadside. What I wrote a name, you know? You're different from Gardentown Road, no sir?
Yeah, this is about Maryland. But I want to never tape.
Yeah, that one I never tape. Because the one I never check. Where did that guy come from? Where am I going?
Yeah, for the one. She said to her,
I'm going to do myself and I'm going to
You know them there?
see you, I'm going to night market. Dirty and no beard. Is it guys?
I try night.
Yeah, see me, I'm going to the night market, dirty and no beard. Yeah. So, the next mission now to get them down the hill.
Oh, the black them are moved together.
Look at me Stoker. See the tile them here? So you have to go sit down right next to them and watch them, okay? Watch them. Because someone will thief them, yeah? So you're the tile security, right? Alright.
Even Esther, even
Evening.
Never hear.
She lie? Which
Yeah.
part that call nobody?
Mr. Esther,
He is not working.
I am the yes. It's a pretty hairstyle. Every time you have to get new hairstyle. Dago.
It's a mission. I wanna go. Huh?
Shop.
It's a mission. Josh, you're tired already though? Yo, when they finna work?
Yeah, man, okay. I'm gonna say, I'm black and then I'm work with Paul.
Eh?
I'm Paul, I work with Paul, man. Open road, because cement on road.
Yeah. There's a cement on the block. How much cement that there, so? Tree. Tree? You got tree. Cranberry.
Like you're at
Yeah.
Ain't no thing.
It's the oldest there.
Boy, you know it's.
I'm around.
I will let you know that I can hear you tell her for one. Oh, yeah, man, she don't know. She must don't know. You must have sweat.
Turn the camera around, Esther. Look, you see? Let me say, it's not the weather why I'm not bathing to go night market. It's because I'm sweating. Yeah, because a lot of people don't bathe because the place cold. You know, but the reason I'm not going home. So I'm not get for bathe go to night market. So
I only get.
Esther, you have spray in your car, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're lucky. So
My bath and body work.
alright, so it's
room
a
spray.
bath and body.
The
so,
room spray.
Yeah.
I can't use it.
Room spray? Yeah, use room spray for me. I want to
It looks like,
Two of them.
it looks like catch on say.
yeah.
Oh, this guy is pretty. I'll spend it in Tina.
Don't worry yourself. Come in, Esther.
Down the road.
Come on, see it.
You have to stay and watch it. Make Toko stay and watch it. The thing is there.
I like the banana chips.
But that's not I know start to feel though.
See, now I got eyeball.
Yeah. Right place now go. I go. Oh, it's a woman dog. Okay,
I'm gonna give me a work to do all this. When I finish that time, I kill him. The easy thing is to carry time. I try to get another back.
No.
Eh? People want to. Oh, man,
I think I want one leg.
Rest.
I think I want leave.
People are gonna bring them.
So much tile left too?
Boom, 2, yeah.
Boom out. Yeah. 30 I carry one and
No.
one leaf?
How much box?
4 and that.
4 box?
4 and the rough. So I find a 5 I think.
So,
Dog.
so 2 left back, come take them one.
And 30 I go carry one and one I go leave. I'm trying to put them to stand up. When the pop try.
Oh boy, no sir. Boiling hot.
Uncle, you said it cool all them time, yeah? Hey.
All the time
Freeze.
should have cold.
Yeah. You said that freeze. In a freezer.
Michelle. Red.
How much leave?
Don't you got more tile left back?
I told you.
Okay.
So there's a one leave back.
Yeah, there's one box.
Or 4 and 1.
That's my problem now.
The step.
The tile them.
Oh, the tile.
And they best thing them, no brother.
Yeah, the tile. Maybe man. Man, you sleep. Oh no.
The best thing them, no brother.
If you slip, you slide.
Yeah. Oh, so Abu, I bring next one.
No, you did tell him say it done this. Remember I tell him? And I said no,
Oh.
leave back.
In the gun up, see me?
No, me see that car one black come.
Oh. No, sir. Retire. Retire. Go behind the camera.
You need to bring one more tile.
Hey, you know what I gotta do? I wet the rag and tie it in the river.
Tidy.
Yeah.
And your body hot?
I look when it cool down a bit. Because we can't go night market sweaty, so you know people always greet me. Imagine
No, the time, tonight I got cold.
people always greet me, you know, so when them greet me, I'm like, oh, Kino. You know?
No.
No, joke, guys. I don't smell, yeah, so don't. But I'm telling you, up here is an exercise. So you know, want to work out, just come and join the dream team, you know, doing this exercise routine. Yeah, come join the dream team for the exercise routine, right? If you want to get fit, come and join the dream team and you get fit, you know. Trust me. One block, one cement. Eh? Esther retire. Alright. Esther says she's not making back that walk go up here. I don't blame her. I don't blame her at all. That walk is something else, you know? Eh? Oh. Oh? Oh, boom. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, man. Boom, same pull a muscle. So, alright, so that is the last box of tile 30. Yeah, man, you have to rest, man. Let's rest a bit. Yeah, man, that is it. After this is the last one. Well done.
Cement them round the block.
I'm going to pay somebody for bringing them down.
Can carry the cement them, they can pay somebody to carry the block.
Yeah.
Come on, pay somebody to carry the cement.
No, be careful, you know. Poor Nana, give me the block. Give me. Well done.
And let me put it one side and you take it down with it. You?
She cry now.
Huh?
Tree, yeah. Tree, yes.
Ui. Nossa. I am Finesta. Finesta.
Why fans, man, I tell you,
Mm-hmm.
not easy,
No,
but we have to get it done.
making it work.
Yes, I have to make it work.
Yeah, you know easy,
Yeah,
but we make it work.
yeah, man.
Trust
I
me.
just told me as a youth, we used to them type of thing, you know, so I
Yeah.
want different type of work to do and all them shit. So, yeah, we just fit in.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
I know me
Bro,
that man. Endurance me have.
yes, I.
A football I play. So me you kill it running.
Just
You pull a muscle. You see guys, boom back, pull up. Yeah. So boom, pull something in them back.
better don't let them on the other side.
Mm-hmm. Eh?
I'm
You know, as soon as they don't see a black dog a ball, the puppy them. For 30 grand don't see the puppy a ball.
No stop.
They go eat today. You not eat, mommy. Kina not eat now Sunday.
No.
Where you eat? Vegetable you go eat today.
Oh, you know. I need back my strength.
Oh yeah, I eat. My mother just say she a go get some of the something that we need.
Wow.
Our father say he take all the pop throw them now.
Then they ready?
Some fresh.
Yeah.
Get some fresh on.
But he buy 2 pack of them. Say I want get some of them. Cause all long ya this is your journey.
It's a good exercise.
No. You
That's
go up there.
I'm retired now. Retire.
Me tired, me nah go back.
They say them more easy on
So-
them. I told them just say there's some more easier, but that's what them say.
Because you
More easier.
yeah, because you tell me say
You could have dig. Time when you pause, you could have dig.
can you tell me say that way they are walk? Or that way they-
There's some detail in driver post and they must say no, there's some more easier. But through them say there's some more easier, I'm just alright.
Oh, this is too easy.
Listen, easy coming down but hard going up. Cause after
No,
you make the
because me that fly.
cause when you walk come down with it and if you go back up the hill now. But the greatest thing, the tile them, the heaviest thing come down. You know?
Some of them black they have to go steer. Me
Till
tired.
next year.
But tomorrow they come down. So when you some of them come tomorrow. When they're going to school tomorrow, but don't bring them.
I true what the guy me always help.
That teacher.
When the cousin name was always help.
You're supposed to work a village.
Not true, if in the deer, they don't know him could have helped.
You could have helped to bring them down. But tomorrow I'm supposed to come off to work. That's not good, I'm going to do my dinner. I'm going to look roast them at dinner.
Oh.
Then to come and start.
Tina.
Oh, mommy. Come
You
here.
can't have the same hairstyle.
May I have the same hairstyle? Yes, Nana, may I have the same hairstyle, yeah?
Expect the son of them.
Yeah. Me have me alone, Cranberry and all them hairstyles, me alone, though. Yeah. So me and Nana rock the same hairstyle. Well, me and have my hairstyle.
See him, so you can go on.
Same now.
Mama, come in and forgot about kissing the door, yeah.
Same hairstyle me and Nana have. Nana! Same hairstyle.
I just the front part alone.
Charge you come in another cement.
So 2 more left back.
No, one.
Oh, 1.
I want cement left back.
Yeah. Got 3 up there.
I get a new teacher.
The foot up and running, man, so charge you up and running. So the foot good now? Charge you. You know anything going on?
Yeah, man.
You know? You know anything go?
Never go and come down 1-1. So every time we'll make a 1-1.
Yeah. The greatest thing the bring on the tile was the heaviest. You know, the tile was the heaviest and that come down on the cement. Boom, pull him back.
Boom.
Yeah. And pull something in him back. The man I used to them uphill work.
Used to them hard up there too, but someone I used to them sit there.
Yes, you Tara, you forgot bring something. You just want to bring food alone. Your face. Tara, now get no more bun. No more.
My name is Abana Night of Abba Fine Black.
Eh?
And I said, I'm looking for Abana Night and can help me. I come back about tomorrow.
Teacher give me 1 bun and teacher borrow.
You need your lunch money.
You do with your lunch money? That eat off is something else. Where do your lunch money? Buy lunch. Buy sweetie. A sweetie should buy though. Sweetie. Woo. Sweetie.
Sister, guys.
Esther couldn't make it up the hill anymore. Esther say you eat that. Cool off little still. Charge me, I cool off on the river yesterday, so my back turn. Kenisha, I'm going to sit down by the river and cool off a bit. Let's go, so I'm going to sit by the river and cool down a bit. Trust me. It was a good vibe. Well, now good vibe, you know that. Esther gone?
Every time remember Esther now. Yeah, but go and look for Esther and do
Come hold this one. You can't hold camera?
Yes.
Don't drop the
Why better boom do?
Give me it.
No.
Stay away there. Stay right here. Yeah? Yeah. Wipe up.
My father down by the riverside.
Down by the riverside, we are wipe up. Down by the riverside. I'm gonna wipe up my body.
Move not to your arm and good.
Quick wipe up, you know?
I trim me for swim. Swim, kiddo.
Going to the night market, so now I can get to go home. Come, Nana, come. Go up there.
Daddy, last week I get Nana
Excuse, leave Nana alone. Come and give it to all and you do something else. She do something else. I pull out this and I pull out that.
What take him one of them? A killer. Then down. Yeah, very nice.
Don't go in there. Yeah, don't push them in. Gotcha. Me have another new teacher.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
So I'm me that now I'm fresh. Who can tell me say me no beard? Hey, no. The 30 grand I go and cool off so and boom. So once they finish cool off, then you just head out and move on. You know I need to go Iowa Spice to get something to eat as well. Yeah, eat some healthy food. High five. Later. Toko. Later. Tara. Yeah. Bye. I'll make you eat some Iowa Spice and get back the energy. Eh? If you have any, what the noonie?
Yeah.
500. Peppermint, the bird pepper. Yeah, yeah. Alright guys, so what I did, I leave. I give Chargy, leave him with a change for him to get someone to help bring down the rest of the blocks. So you will pay someone to bring down the rest of the blocks. But that's the only thing that left back to bring down is the blocks. So everything else come down, so just the blocks then to come down. So 4 or 5 more blocks to come down. So I gave him money to pay one of the youths in the community to bring down the rest. Ballad! Any Akey? Any Akey?
Alright, my boss. That's a meal, man.
Esther, I thought it was by the river. You can put on all of the weight on the car. Esther miss her car, so she come down by the car. Come keep the car company. Yeah. What I do? I just wet my rag. Untidy. Oh, I don't care who wants to say Akeynote tidy. A lot of you guys will watch tidy too. You know tidy? Well, yes, I'm not tidy. I'm wipe up. Oh, boom, wipe up too. You see? Exactly. So I say you have to wipe up sometime, not all the time.
Dirty boss.
Yeah, hold up on it? Oh. My finger wet. I was spice me with a shotgun on Esther. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.